Hello students, welcome to class. Do you eat dogs? No? How come? What about cats? Do you eat cats? No? Why not? You eat all the other animals. Chickens, cows, pigs, turkeys, lambs, rabbits. What's the difference? The difference is culture. In China, in a place called Yulin, they murder animals, and not just there, many other places around the world, and the animals that they choose to eat are dogs and cats. But there's an organization here who tries to rescue them. Now, I have not, up until this time, sponsored or been part of this organization because I truly am an abolitionist. I believe in abolishing the use of animals completely. However, recently I looked around at my backyard and noticed I have a fence in backyard and that these dogs here are arriving who are being saved from China, and maybe I could foster. Why not? So just last night I put my name on a list and I just got a text that came back that said, okay, we got your application. So I just thought I would let you guys know about this organization. So let's watch a little video that they posted. It says here, these survivors are coming to Canada. The organization again is called No Dogs Left Behind, and this video was posted November 21st, 2021. So I'm going to play it for you. Basically, it's just a lot of images that you can see. We saved them from slaughter. So let's look at that again because it's quite dramatic. So these are the dogs that are behind bars, just like pigs are here in Canada, chickens, just like all the animals that we eat, but these happen to be dogs, and they are going to be murdered, some of them boiled alive. It is absolutely heartbreaking, especially since, I don't know especially, but I have a dog named Bella, and I just can't even imagine. I just can't imagine anyone hurting her deliberately when there are so many other things to eat. So this is how they are. I don't know if you saw that, but you can see there that, let's go over that again. I'll try to stop it. So they're behind bars, and you see, it's very quick, but you can see them. They are all in these cages that are very low down. I really want to try and show you. Hold on, I'm going to go back. Let's go back again. Comes right after this. I'm going to keep stopping and starting to see if I can, there. Okay, you see this? Hundreds of them in these cages, just crammed together. Like they can't even stand up, and they're waiting just there until somebody points at them and says, I want you for dinner. Anyway, here they are taking them off the, oh my God, I don't want to cry. People tell me I cry in too many videos, but oh. Anyway, I gotta remind myself this is a good story because they are rescuing them. Oh my God. That looks like my dog Bella. I chain them and tie them up and they can't move. Okay. So they're saving them, and they're trying to have them be adopted from different places around the world. So there's a whole chain of people that are working towards this. So there's people that go to help bring them overseas to Canada or to whatever country. And then there are people who pick them up at the airport. And there are people who foster them for a few days, sometimes months, until they're adoptable. And then they have to train them also because these dogs often have psychological problems. I mean, you can imagine how little they trust humans. So I just wanted to let you know about it. Let's have a look a bit more. So here they are, smashing the cages. We fight the fight on the front lines. You see them. That's a member of the staff there with the shirt on, and they are going to bring them by plane to find homes for them. So the organization, No Dog Left Behind, and this is the Canadian branch. These precious survivors need your help. So they're asking that you donate or that you foster. Look at them. Some of them look pretty scared. Some of them still have some trust. Do you see any of the dogs that you know when you look into these eyes? Could you ever eat a dog? Why do you eat the animals that you do? What is the difference? Pigs are just as intelligent as dogs are. All of them have a right to be safe, to feel protected, and to not be used. We have no right to point at an animal and say, your body belongs to me. We just have no right to do it, and you all know it in your hearts. Now, I know in my comment section there are always a few hundred people who are there saying, I don't care what I eat. I could eat a dog. I've watched the movie Dominion 4 times. It doesn't affect me. Those people are psychopaths. They are not the majority of you, and I know it. There are psychopaths who are drawn to this channel because they enjoy talking about how they like hurting animals, and those are the same people who go home and abuse their wives or who torture animals themselves. They are fucked in the head. Most of you know that hurting animals is despicable and unnecessary, and it is to those of you I am appealing today. I'm encouraging you to be vegan as a moral baseline. I would like you also to look at this organization, consider helping them, but if you don't have the time, give them some money. Help them to do their work. Or go and do some activism which is going to help more as a baseline. You see, these type of organizations are great in a way. But on the other hand, my criticism of them in the past has been, look, you have a country of China. The resources it takes, the pollution it takes to try to get these, because it causes a lot of pollution to use the airlines, to take these animals out of here and spread them out across the world doesn't really make any logical sense. This is why I didn't support them in the past. It's because I think we have to get at the root of the problem, which is to eliminate speciesism, and we have enough to do in our own countries. However, what I decided to do is that when I found out that these dogs are here anyway, and somebody has their heart in the right place for this, to help these. There's many people who are helping. And of course they are vegan as a moral baseline, but they feel the need to do something. You know, I'm here doing something here on social media, trying to talk to you. They're there coordinating, making phone calls, texting people, trying to get people to help. So if I have a home with a backyard, why couldn't I at least put myself down as a foster person, right? I mean, I live 10 kilometers from the airport. Maybe I can go and pick up a dog and help for a little while and just do my little part in this organization. But of course, that's not the final solution. We need to get a vegan world for everyone, for the entire planet. And it starts with you. And what are you going to put on your plate today? What are you going to put in your shopping cart? Don't put animals in there. No chickens, no cows, no pigs, no lambs. These animals are the same in the sense that they have feelings. They want to be free. They want to be loved. They can feel fear. They don't want to be eaten. So if you care about animals, and even if you don't care about animals, like maybe you don't care about one of your neighbors, that's not a reason to say, I'm going to hurt you. We just have to kind of accept each other here on the planet. Money can buy a dog. Only time can heal wounds. Love will finally rescue a dog. That's a quote from the founder, Jeffrey Berry, the founder of No Dogs Left Behind. So, if there's any way that you can help, I encourage you to have a look at this organization. But as I keep telling you, the main problem is speciesism to begin with. The main problem is we need a vegan world. We need to stop buying leather. Stop using animal skin. Stop buying fur. We need to stop using eggs, because eggs come from another cycle of violence where the baby boy chicks are murdered at day 1 because they'll never be able to lay eggs. We need to stop the dairy industry. We need to stop putting any kind of milk products in our cart. No eggs, of course, but when it comes to the dairy products, don't put any milk, don't put any yogurt, don't put any ice cream. Get the vegan versions of these things. You can totally do this. And I want to see some comments below that tell me that you have become vegan or you are seriously considering it. If you need help, go to howdoigovegan.com. Go to howdoigovegan.com. Sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com. Sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com. Sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com. Memorize that little song. All right, go there. Do your best. Thank you for being here today. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, do you see below a subscription button? See it? Subscribe. And beside it is a notification bell. I want you to press it to help me to get these animals out of hell. You can totally do this. We can do this together. Come and join my team here. Be a teaching assistant on this channel if you are vegan and you know about vegan facts. Down below in the comment section, so many people are misinformed. They think the craziest things. They don't know. They simply are ignorant, and we need people down there to teach them. So anything you can do is great. I'm grateful for, and the animals, of course. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. After you subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get these animals out of hell, I want you to press on the other videos. Have a look around my site. There are over 1,000 videos you can look at, all kinds of videos where I'm going to be examining different groups like this and telling you whether I think you should join them or not, and talking about this important subject. Let's get this world to be a better place. You know, it's also great for the environment. So thanks a lot for being here. I'll see you guys all in the next video, which I'm already working on in the background. I'm always working for the animals. Bye, guys.